In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a significant amount of money on your medical insurance, whilst getting a tailored plan that covers you for the things you want covered and takes into account your circumstances. You see, when some people apply for private medical insurance, whether it be a business, individual, family, applying for the first time or renewing, they make the unwitting mistake of going straight to the insurer and applying direct. If you only go direct to one insurer, it could turn out to be more costly for you, and you could be limiting the choice of plans available out there in the marketplace. We all require different things from our health insurance, and most people want a plan that is adapted to their circumstances. If you just go to one insurer, you could be restricting your options. However, when you go to an independent health insurance specialist, you'll find you're not paying any unnecessary costs because you can tailor a plan to suit your needs. Likewise, we deal with a wide range of insurers, meaning we'll find you the best possible cover for the lowest possible cost. Of course, we're regulated by the Financial Services Authority. We don't charge fees for our service, and we don't use jargon. Throughout this process, you'll know exactly what you're doing and what you'll be covered for. Our process makes it very easy to find the right policy for you. In fact, you can start in just a second by clicking the link below and answer some simple questions that will take you less than 60 seconds. We'll then research the market for you, find you the best possible cover, negotiate the best price, and then send you our report, giving you all the details in an easy to understand format. This system really works well for our clients. Last month, we had a client who just couldn't get health cover for the urgent physiotherapy she required for her back condition. And by using the policies only available through our brokerage, we were successful in getting her treatment covered. Treatment she went on to have done privately and very quickly. Most people in my client's situation would have had no other alternative than to wait on the NHS waiting list. So she was able to avoid the waiting, which meant her condition didn't get any worse, and she was back to work much earlier than she expected. You can imagine how happy she was finding a policy that covered her fully. If you, like so many others, want to find out how much you can save on your medical insurance, you can click the link below and that'll take you straight through to some simple questions. In fact, if you note down the code displaying on the screen right now, you'll be entitled to our exclusive limited time offer. You'll then be given all the information about the different types of health cover that will be tailored to you, so you can make a better, more informed decision about your medical insurance.
To find out how you too can get a tailored health plan, take a note of the code displaying on the screen and then click the link below for instant access. Do it now and we'll see you on the other side.
So you want to buy health insurance. You're searching for the best plan. Excellent. If you are in your early 20s, mid-20s, early 30s, navigating through the process can be confusing. You don't really know what the best plan is because you don't do this for a living. So you're going to entrust yourself with someone else to find the best plan and the best price. Let me give you some things to always keep in mind with health insurance. You know, health insurance, it's in the news. Politicians are painting this terrible picture about how expensive it is. Yeah, there are expensive plans, and typically those plans are so expensive because people are buying things they don't need. When you look at health insurance, you need to ask yourself the big picture. What do you want the plan to do for yourself? I ask all my customers, do you want it to cover the sniffles, or do you want a plan that'll cover a $50,000 claim? Could a $50,000 claim really have an impact on your finances? Yeah, it would definitely for me. So some questions you need to ask yourself. Where can you trim fat on a health insurance policy and drive the rate down? Because price is going to be the most important thing. You want good coverage over here, but if you can't afford it, you're not going to keep it. First thing, choose a high deductible. And I'm not talking a $500 or $1,000. Bump it up. Go to a $2,500 or a $3,500 deductible. The higher your deductible, the lower your price. 2, if you have an opportunity to carve out doctor copays, do it. Ask yourself, how many times do you go to the doctor? Typically, people go once or twice. Perfect. Insure yourself, allow those charges to go towards your deductible, and you could lower your price probably $100 a month. And then 3, when you're looking at a health insurance plan, make sure you're working with someone who has been in the business and has a variety of products. Not one plan is going to fit everybody's needs. You might have high blood pressure. You might be a little under tall. You might have this, you might have that. You need to work with an independent agent who doesn't have one, but might have 4 national carriers. We do this for a living. We love what we do, but we know that if you don't have a plan that's going to fit your budget, you're not going to keep it. And then the worst possible scenario is that you leave without any coverage at all. Give us a call, check out our website, look at some prices, let's navigate the confusion together, let's customize a plan that's going to fit your needs, whether it's a high deductible, maternity, dental, whatever, and we hope to hear from you soon.